Hi everyone, good day. I welcome you to Jumped Maths channel. My name is JANIS. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. Alright, today we want to look at the question says find the coefficient of x in this is what? An algebraic expression. This is a complex algebraic expression. Why is it that? Because there's a power of square, there's no equal to sign, and there's letters and numbers. So that's why it's called an algebra. Okay, so let's also find the coefficient of x. Now in our previous video, I told you about the terms present in an algebra. I told you about coefficient. I said coefficient are numbers that are close to a particular what? Variable. So the variable here is what in the equation is x. They say we should find the coefficient of what? Of x. So first and foremost, I have to solve for this particular expression. Solution. Good. Solution. So first thing, pick the right equation. So let's bring the equation into 4x plus 3 x minus 5 then 2x minus 3 square. Okay, so now first bracket, open the second bracket. Whatever is close to a bracket, open that particular bracket. So that means 4x is opening this and 4x is also opening the 5. Then 3 is opening this and 3 is also opening the 5. Okay, so how about 4x times x is 4x square. X times x is x square. 4, the value of x here is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. X times x is x square. Alright, so we have, next thing we have here is the 4x times 5. 4 times 5 is what? Is 20. Remember, plus times minus is minus. 4 times 5 is what? 20. X, the value of 5 here doesn't have any letter, so it just becomes what? Left with x. So we are done with that first one. So the second one here we have is what? 3 times x. Remember the sign, plus, the x here is plus. Plus times plus is plus. So how about plus 3x? Then plus times minus is what? Minus. Then what? 3 times 5 is what? Is 15. So this is my first bracket. I'm done with it. So this second bracket says what? In two places. So I'm going to bring in the second bracket down. This second bracket I'm going to bring it down. So I have it as well. The second bracket here says what? Remember there's a negative sign there. So I have what? 2x minus 3 squared. So this means what? In two places. So let's do it. Let's repeat the same thing we have here. So it now becomes what? 2x minus 3, the first bracket. Then we'll have what? 2x minus 3, the second bracket. So first bracket will open the second bracket. So 2 is opening 2x, then this 3 is opening the other bracket. So how about 2x times, so that is 2 times 2 is what? 4. This is 4x squared. Because x times x is x squared. They have 2 times 3, which is what? 6 minus 6x. Then minus here. This is what? Why is it minus? Because this 3 has a minus sign. So minus times plus is still minus. 2 times 3 is another 6x. Okay. Then I'm left with what? 3 times 3, which is minus 3 times minus 3 is what? Plus 3. Because minus times minus is plus. So minus 3 times minus 3. Minus 3 times minus 3 is that plus 9. Because minus times minus is plus. 3 times 3 is 9. So this is the value of the second bracket. So let's simplify the first bracket and also put it with the second bracket. So I'll bring back this my first bracket. So the first bracket here is what? I have what? 4x squared minus 20x. Then I have it as what? Plus 3x minus 15. Minus, remember the question said minus the second bracket. I expanded this to this. I expanded this as this. This is what gave me this. So this one gave me this. This particular one gave me this. So minus, let's bring out the second one. Second bracket is what? 4x squared minus what? 6x minus another 6x plus 9. This is the second bracket. This is second what? Bracket. So let's simplify the first bracket and also simplify the second bracket. So if I want to simplify this first one, what am I having here? So what's inside bracket? Let's stop here. So here's what? We have what? 4x squared minus 20 plus 3 is giving me what? Minus 17. So I have 4x squared minus what? 17x minus what? 15 minus 20 plus 3 minus 17. So this is the what? The first one. I've solved and open for this first bracket. Then the second one, let's open it. We have what? This is what? Minus is open in bracket. So minus This is minus 4x squared. Minus times minus give me plus 6x. Minus times minus give me another plus what? 6x. Then I have it as what? Minus times plus here is minus 9. So I have a long expression. Long what? Expression. So now these two can actually add. So let's add it. I have 6x plus 6x. They can actually add. So if 6x plus 0, let's simplify it. So I have it as what? 4x squared minus we'll have what? 17x. Collection of like terms, 6x can come, or decide to simplify. Let's simplify it since we've already specified that. Minus 15 minus 4x squared. Then 6 plus 6 is what? Is 12. Plus what? 12x minus 9. Now collection of like terms. We have 17x, I have 12x. So 4x squared, 4x squared. So the 4x squared will come to meet 4x squared. Let's simplify. Let's collect like terms here. So I'm here, I have what? 4x squared. The minus sign will move, minus 4x squared. As I'm collecting the like term, they move together with the signs. So minus what? 17x. Then I also have what? Plus 12x. 17x and 12x. Then I'm left with the number which is what? Minus 15 and what? Minus 9. Okay, so let's finish up the equation here. So now this particular one, the 4x, we cancel the 4x. Let me bring back what I have. What I'm left with here. I'm left with what? Minus 17x. Then I have what? Minus 17x. Okay, here I have square. So minus 17x plus what? 12x. Minus 17x plus 12x. Remember when I collected like terms, this has a 12x. So minus 17x plus 12x give me what? Minus 17x plus 12x. Then minus 15 minus 5. Minus 15 minus 9. So these are the values I have there. Now I also have these two as x. So 17x minus 17x plus 12x give me what? Minus 5x. Then minus 15 minus 9 gives me what? That is what? Minus 24. Minus 24. So therefore the coefficient of x, can I simplify further? No, I can't simplify anything again. So therefore the coefficient of x is what? What's closest to the x? Value of x here is minus 5. So the coefficient of x is minus 5. So this is the coefficient of x, is the value closest to x. So from this expression, I'll be able to get the coefficient of x, which is minus 5, from the value that is closest to x. Remember the first thing we did, we had to use the first bracket to open the second bracket, gave us this expression. Then the second bracket has a square, so double itself. After opening it, gave us this. So the first expression minus the second expression. What's closest to the bracket opens the bracket. So minus sign is closest to this bracket. So minus will open this bracket, gives us minus 4x squared. Minus and minus gives us the plus 6x. Minus and minus gives us another plus 6x. Minus times plus gives us the minus 9. So I have this long expression. After collecting my like terms, I have 4x squared minus 7x minus 15 minus 4x squared plus 12x minus 9. So collection of like terms, 4x will come to 4x, they are the same, 4x, 4x. Then I'm left with what? 17x. Then I have what? 12x plus 12x here. Then I have what? My minus 15 and my minus 9. So that was happened here. So after cancelling, I'm left with this. So I'm left with what? Minus 17x plus 12x minus 15x minus 9. So minus 17 plus 12. Minus 17 plus 12 gives me what? My negative 5x. And what? Minus 15 minus 9 is what? Minus 24. So the coefficient of x, like I said initially, is what's closest to the value of x. So which is what? Minus 5. So my coefficient of x is minus 5. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. See you in the next video. Bye.